What if I tell you that you can create interfaces with the help of just a normal prompt? Yes, you heard right. Claude AI actually helps you to create screens in Figma in real-time scenarios. So whatever you write in Claude AI, that will be connected with the Figma MCP server. So just write the prompt in Claude AI and automatically that will be converted into frames in your UI screens. Now let's see how this is going to work. So before jump into this, what I'll just do is I'll just turn on my server here. So this is my MCP server that I'm turning on in Figma, and here you can able to see the Claude AI. So I'll just write Figma status. So it actually checks the Figma status whether it is working at or not. So currently it's actually checking that connection process. So once we got the connection, yes, you can able to see here this is connected to untitled one Figma file, and now we are on page 1. For example, if I ask it to create a new page, so now you can see the magic. So automatically the new page is going to be created here. So this is how you can able to use this. Just write your prompt and automatically done in the entire scenarios. Now let's see this. So now let us say I would like to create a screen in this particular page. So I'll jump into PurpleLane page and I'll ask it to create, can you create a fitness home page in fitness home screen in PurpleLane page. So let's see how it's going to create home screen mobile UI. Let's specify the things like I need a mobile UI itself. Let's do it. So what exactly this do is it understands like we need to work in this particular page itself, and the reason why Claude AI is very important and helpful is it has the ability to think based on a normal text prompt. It can understand whatever the user is looking for, and based on that it internally generates the JSON prompt and it pushes to MCP server which is in Figma, and it generates the UI in Figma itself. So that's how the process actually works. And you can see that it's understanding the context and it's building the entire things. So you can able to see that this is going to be working here, and executing request is done, and you can see that automatically these pages, this layer has been created here. It takes some time and it's going to create. Yes, you can see that this actually generated a stunning UI with just a normal prompt itself. So similar ways you can create any type of version just like a normal prompt itself. And also this not only limited to just a normal part of designing, it also capable of connecting your design system with this Claude AI, and based on that you can able to do it. Now let's do some more things. For example, I'm just jumping into page 1 here, and you can able to copy the link and paste it here, and I'll ask like can you access this file, and let's see like if it can access or not. So what happens here is it can access the current file, and it can understand the file, or like whatever the file is, like you can switch from one file to another file within the Figma, and automatically Claude AI detects your file. You can able to have the access and WebSocket and all this data. So these are some developing coding things that we can ignore, but again these are essential things. That's what I can tell. Okay, so what I can do is like let's ask something like create, and I'm just asked here like create a material design system components. So let's see how it actually understand. So based on that it's going to generate the entire UI perspective as well. So I need a design system, so I'm asking it to create a design system. It asked me to allow the content. I just accepted always allow, so it's going to create automatically all these things. So you can able to see that this is starting, it is going to create a comprehensive things. So actually it is creating on top of this layer itself. So you can able to see that material UIT tokens type. It takes a lot of time for me to create these type of things, or like to create the entire design system. But these fraction of minutes, so that will be easy for us. This really did a great job. That's what I can tell. Within just one click of prompt, it can create the entire design system for me. So I can reuse this design system and I can able to create the entire components. Now let's do one more check. So I created the design system. Now my idea is to create a screen with the help of design system. Now let's see how we can able to do that. So now what I'll just do is I'll ask use the same design system, and on top of that just create something like WhatsApp screen, use the same color palette itself, whatever you can able to see this. Let's do that. Okay, so before doing that, what I'll just do is I'll just move this aside, and yeah. So I asked to create a WhatsApp home screen with the same type of color theme and all, and use the same material design system as well. Now let's see how it can able to understand and how it can able to do it. So it's thinking like it understanding like first it's going to check the design system that it is created, then it can build the WhatsApp UI, and it analyze the entire screen and it can able to do that as well. Yes, you can able to see that this complete screen is going to be generated, and it's generated really how the entire WhatsApp screen looks like. And within a fraction of seconds, whatever the UI, whatever the design system is here, it actually grabs the design system components, and with the help of that component, it's created this. So you can see how powerful the AI is, and how easily you can able to get your job done with the help of AI and UI automation using Claude AI and Figma.